Take a ride in the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.